Hello YouTube, today I have a video on how to make a bootable USB stick by binding ISO to it. So this will be useful maybe if you have built a PC that I've done a budget build and it doesn't include a DVD drive, or you just don't have any blank DVDs lying around and you want to burn a Windows ISO file to a USB. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is obviously get a Windows ISO file. I have one here which is Windows XP. I mean, this could be Windows 8 or whatever, but depending on the disk image size, you will need a different capacity of USB. So basically, to get the program we're going to need to go to www.isotusb.com. That will be in the description. If for any reason you can't get on there, just type isotusb.com in the top, and that will be the program we'll be using. Now, if you're looking for, if you don't have a ISO file, and maybe you want Windows 7 or something, you can go to this website, which will be in the description, and there's loads of Windows 7 ISO files here. Now, this isn't an illegal copy or anything, this is just the ISO file, in case you want to use a trial of Windows 7, which I think you can basically use forever. It just doesn't let you set your wallpaper and things like that. But I have this link in the description as well, and just to download any one of these, you're going to want to look for an English one or your native language, and your x64 or x68, 86, and just click on the one you want and it should start downloading. As you can see, I have one here. This is going to be for a virtual machine also. This is Windows 7 Professional, but anyway, let's get on with the video. So you're going to need this program, and to download it you just want to click download now. Now, I already have this on my system, so when you download it you should get that file. You want to install it. Next, accept. Next, and says it already exists. This is because I had it on my PC before, and I'm just going to click yes. Would you like a program shortcut? Yes, we will. We can also create a desktop icon, which we will do, and install. Now we're going to launch the program, and this may pop up again. And here is the program itself. So what you're going to need to do now, or what you're going to want to do now, is get a USB and plug it into your laptop or computer. Okay, now once you plugged in your USB, obviously if you're going to burn off Windows 7 or whatever, you're going to need a 4 gig USB or higher. If Windows 8, I'm not sure about the ISO size, but I'd go with an 8 gig USB or so. But in my case, I'm doing Windows XP, so I only need a gig USB stick, and the only reason I'm doing XP is I don't have a 8 gig USB available to do this. So once you've plugged in USB, I've just gone to my computer. As you can see, it's here, 954 megs. And I've named it tutorial. Now what you're going to need to do is make sure your USB is empty. As you can see, mine is. Now to do this, obviously you may want to get the files off this USB and put them on after you've installed Windows or whatever you're going to do. But just make sure the USB is empty. And if you want to do that, just right click the format and restore device defaults, and then just name the USB. Then just click start, and it should be done after that. Now what you need to do is on the ISO to USB program is click browse here to browse for the ISO file. Mine's on my desktop, so I'm going to find that. Now you see Windows XP Professional, and now we're going to want to select our USB drive. So some reason mine's not showing up. If it doesn't show up, you just want to click refresh like I did, and then click on it. Now the way you can recognise it is obviously by the size. As you remember, mine's 954 megs, so as you see it says it's there. I'm going to choose our file system. Now I'm just going to choose NTFS, just because, no, actually FAT32. If you're doing Windows 7 or Windows 8, you might want to choose NTFS, but I'm just going to do FAT32 as it's Windows XP. Now we can change what the USB is called, I think. Yes, we can. And I'm just going to name it Windows XP. And here we're going to check bootable. This is if it's a Windows ISO image, which is what I'm doing and what you most likely will be doing. So if it's not a bootable, which I mean by you don't plug it in and boot up your computer, make sure that's unticked. But you know, I've got it ticked as it's a Windows XP bootable file. And as you can see, status, we don't need to worry about that. And then we're going to click burn. Let's say it will already erase all data, but that's fine because we did just format it. So yeah, and it says for bootable you only need one partition. That don't matter, we've only got one. And we're going to click yes to do it. If you don't want to, which I don't know why you'd be watching this video or following along, but just click no. But I'm going to click yes. As you see, it's creating a bootable USB disk. And you know, I'll be back when it's finished doing this. Now just to tell you, it did not respond for a few seconds there. If you get that, it is normal. Just wait for it, give it maybe 10 minutes or so maximum. If it takes longer than that, I would maybe restart the program, but don't worry if it's not responding, that's normal. Now depending on the ISO size, it will take a various amount of time to burn to the USB. But other than that, I'll be back when it... Okay, so now you can see it's done, burn the ISO, it's been successfully completed. We're just going to click OK, and we can close this program now. Now to check if it is done, if it's a Windows ISO, I'm going to go to this PC or my computer, and open it up, and as you can see here I have set up, and if I open it, here's the Windows XP install screen. Now that's basically been successful. As you can see, we've got Windows XP installed, and now if we boot our computer off this USB, we should be able to install XP right off it. If it hasn't been successful, then you know, maybe you want to restart the program and try it again, or you know, use a USB. But yeah, it should have been successful. And now you've done that, and if you don't want to burn any more ISOs files to your USB, you may want to install this program, but it don't take up that much space, there's no reason really to. Now that's it for this video. If it helped or you enjoyed this video in any way, I'd appreciate a like. If you want to request any videos, also put them in the comments below and I'll try my best to get them out. Any questions you can leave in the comments, and if you have any problems I'll try to answer them. Also, I'd appreciate if you subscribe, but obviously you don't have to. And yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.